Forever I will stay. Echoes of peace calling to me. The night is soft, the stars are near. Your presence whispers clear. Every wave that meets the shore reminds me I'm yours. You breathe in colors of the sky, where time and love collide. Every moment you restore, I'm whole once more. You move within the sound, your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows, forever it grows. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. The morning light begins to rise. Your mercy fills the skies. Every tear you've washed away, in grace I stay. Your spirit moves in every breeze, a song that never leaves. You speak and hearts align, your love divine. You move within the sound, your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows, forever it grows. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. Your peace like rivers flow, wherever I may go. Each breath becomes a prayer. I know you're there. You calm the storm inside. Your love will never hide. Forever you'll be peace over me. Echoes of peace, deep and true. Hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. breath I take is yours forevermore. You move like gentle fire, my heart's one desire. Your spirit softly speaks in peace so deep. Shine within me pure and bright. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever I will be where you shine in me. Through endless skies, your mercy flows. Your kindness overflows. Every step I walk in light, your love makes all things right. You fill the dark with golden hue. My soul finds rest in you. In silence I can hear your voice so clear. You move like gentle fire, my heart's one desire. Your spirit softly speaks in peace so deep. Shine within me pure and bright. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever I will be where you shine in me. Let your glory fill my soul. Make the broken whole. Every shadow fades away when you stay. You're the light that never dies, the hope that fills the skies. Forever I'll remain in your holy flame. Shine within me pure and bright. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever I will be where you shine in me. Shine in me, forever free. Shine within me. Love that never ends, forever human. through the night. The morning breaks, the shadows fade. Your glory unafraid. Every breath becomes a flame that burns to praise your name. You fill the skies with endless grace. Your warmth in every place. Through every tide and hue, I'm shining bright for you. You move within the air. Your love beyond compare. In every spark I see, you're burning inside me. Hearts of light, glowing free. You shine through all I see. Every color, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of light, calm and pure. Your mercy will endure forever. We will be your hearts of light. Your hearts of the ocean mirrors heaven's glow. Your love begins to flow. Every heartbeat sings of you. In every shade of blue, your spirit whispers through the breeze. A peace that never leaves. You lift my soul above with everlasting love. You move within the air. Your love beyond compare. In every spark I see, you're burning inside me. Hearts of light, glowing free. You shine through all I see. Every color, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of light, calm and pure. Your mercy will endure forever. We will be your hearts of light. Let your radiance fill this place. The beauty of your grace. Every tear and fear erased by your embrace. We'll carry love so wide, with you as our guide. Forever we'll ignite your hearts of light. The sky unfolds in shades of gold, your mercy to behold. Every breath a gentle wave, your love so strong to save. The ocean sings your melody, a timeless symphony. Your spirit in the air, I feel you everywhere. You calm the tides inside, with peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade, in you I'm unafraid. Peaceful horizon, wide and free, your presence covers me. Every moment, every sigh, you lift my soul so high. Peaceful horizon, calm and true, my heart belongs to you. Forever I will see your peace surrounding me. The wind is soft, the world is still. I'm resting in your will. Every heartbeat starts anew, with gratitude for you. Your light reflects across the sea, it draws me close to thee. Every wave your grace unfolds, more precious than gold. You calm the tides inside, with peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade, in you I'm unafraid. Peaceful horizon, wide and free, your presence covers me. Every moment, every sigh, you lift my soul so high. Peaceful horizon, calm and true, my heart belongs to you. Forever I will see your peace surrounding me. Let your spirit fill the air, I know you're everywhere. Every fear will fade away in the light of day. You shine beyond the sea, your peace alive in me. Forever I will stay in your gentle way. Breath of heaven, flow through me again. Your spirit moves across the deep. You wake my soul from sleep. Through every calm, through every storm, you keep my heart so warm. Your whisper lingers in the air, a peace beyond compare. Every moment speaks of you, so gentle, pure and true. You breathe where I can't see, your love surrounding me. You call me to begin your life within. Breath of heaven, soft and near. Your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever you remain. Breath of heaven, calm and wide. You dwell deep inside. Forever I'll be still in your will. The night reveals your gentle flame. You wash away my pain. Your mercy falls like morning dew, restoring what is true. The stars reflect your endless grace. I'm lost within this place, where heaven meets the sea. You're breathing into me. You breathe where I can't see, your love surrounding me. You call me to begin your life within. Breath of heaven, soft and near. Your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever you remain. Breath of heaven, calm and wide. You dwell deep inside. Forever I'll be still in your will. Your spirit flows like wind and The ocean whispers through my heart. Your love's where I start. Every tide and every sound, your mercy all around. You move like water through my pain. You wash me clean again. In every breath I see, you're healing me. You calm the raging sea. Your peace surrounding me. Your light begins to shine forever mine. Waves of grace, soft and white, you pull me to your side. Every fear fades away in your gentle sway. Waves of grace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in waves of grace. Ocean of grace. The night is still, the stars align. Your spirit intertwines. Every whisper calls my name. I'll never be the same. You move with rhythm, soft and slow. Through every ebb and flow, my soul begins to rise to meet your skies. You calm the raging sea. Your peace surrounding me. Your light begins to shine forever mine. Waves of grace, soft and white, you pull me to your side. Every fear fades away in your gentle sway. Waves of grace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in waves of grace. Let your mercy flood the deep, where love and spirit meet. Every tear you've washed away with every wave. Your rhythm beats within my chest. Your peace, my only rest. Forever I'll embrace your waves of grace. world fades out, I close my eyes. Your spirit fills the skies. Your whispers wrap around my soul and make me whole. You move in light unseen, where heaven meets between. In stillness I can see you're here with me. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I'll remain in sacred moments again. Sacred moments. Sacred moments. You breathe through shadows, soft and kind, restoring peace of mind. Each second turns to endless grace when I behold your face. Your spirit glows, your mercy flows through every night that grows. I find my rest in you, in all you do. You move in light unseen, where heaven meets between. In stillness I can see you're here with me. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I'll remain in sacred moments again. Every breath you sanctify, every tear you dry. Your peace surrounds my heart. You're where I start. Let your spirit stay in me every day. Forever I will find your peace divine. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs